You think this is still just a trade war? Think again. In 2025, tensions between the US and China have gone beyond economics. Now we're talking global influence, military posturing, and the world divided. With Trump back in office and Xi pushing forward with his regional agenda, the stakes have never been higher. Let's break down what's really happening. In April 2025, President Trump announced a 145% tariff on over $300 billion worth of Chinese imports, claiming it's economic justice. China responded fast, 125% retaliatory tariffs targeting US agriculture, tech, and auto parts. Result? Container traffic in key ports like Los Angeles and Shenzhen has dropped 22%, disrupting supply chains worldwide. While the US tightens its grip with tariffs, China moves quietly but powerfully. Between late 2024 and early 2025, Xi Jinping signed over 40 strategic agreements with countries like Vietnam, Malaysia, and Cambodia. These deals include port infrastructure, 5G tech, and even joint military exercises. It's diplomacy with long-term binding consequences. Markets are already feeling the shockwaves. In the week after Trump's tariffs were announced, the S&P 500 and Nikkei 225 both plunged 7%. The IMF downgraded global economic growth projection to just 2.6% in 2025, the lowest since the pandemic recovery. Investors are holding their breath and central banks are on edge. Beyond economics, military tension is rising. A recent CSIS report shows the risk of military conflict in the Taiwan Strait has increased by 35% since early 2024. Meanwhile, over 60% of developing nations say they feel caught, economically dependent on China, but politically aligned with the West. The global balance is shifting and fast. Analysts are calling it Cold War 2.0, but it's more complex than before. Because this time, the world isn't just watching, it's caught in the middle.